No, I'm from Bangladesh.
You.
Oh,
Oh,
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Oh,
Oh, I know your dialect.
I know
I
your
know your dialect from your dialect.
I
I
think you
think you
from
from
nearby.
nearby.
Bangladesh,
Bangladesh way, Bangladesh mari.
So so say
Mahilu ah.
so say hello Bangladesh
Hello,
Hello
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
and say I love Bangladesh people.
Ara,
Ara,
once
once I
I
love
love all
all
the
the
men
men
that
that
handsome,
handsome
only.
only.
No
Oh,
No
handsome,
handsome,
not
no
less.
left.
okay. Only you can say oh, I love you. Only handsome guys.
Ah,
Ah,
yes.
yes.
I
I
love
love
only
only
handsome
handsome
guy.
guy.
Okay. So am I handsome?
Yes,
Yes,
that's what
that's
I
what
love
I love
you.
you.
You're very
You're very
handsome.
handsome.
Thank you. So where are you from?
So cute.
Where I'm
Where I'm
from?
from?
Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Malaysia. Oh, yeah. I know very well Malaysia. A lot of Bangladeshi peoples they are working in Malaysia, and my some of friends, cousin, they are right now working in Malaysian company.
Oh,
Oh,
are they
are
good
they good
here?
here?
Are they
Are they
living
living
all
all
good?
good?
Yeah,
Comfort?
Comfort?
yes, they live in very good. So, what's your full name?
Sorry?
Sorry?
What's your full name?
What is
What is
that?
that?
My
My
full
full
name
name
Mia.
Mia.
Yeah, okay, all right. So, which part do you live in Malaysia?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
originally
originally
Malaysian.
Malaysian.
Okay, so which part? What's your city name?
Sorry?
Sorry?
What's your city name?
My
My
city
city
is Terengganu
Terengganu
State.
State.
Terengganu.
Terengganu.
Singano. Okay. So, how long for to your capital city to your city?
Capital
Capital
city,
city
Terengganu to
Terengganu to
Kuala
Kuala
Lumpur.
Lumpur.
Yeah. Are your capital city in Kuala Lumpur?
4 hours
4 hours
driving.
driving.
Oh, 4 hours driving. If you somebody wanna go to Kuala Lumpur, it takes 4 hours. Oh, so why are you so cute?
God
God
creature.
creature.
Yeah, so beautiful. If you come Bangladesh, I think a lot of people will propose you because you're so really cute.
Is
Is
they
they
all
all
enough for
enough
me?
for me?
So, are you single or are you married?
I'm
I'm
single.
single.
Oh, you're single. I'm also single. So, will you marry me?
Sorry?
Sorry?
What is
So,
What is
that?
that?
so you just tell me that you are a single girl. So, will you marry me?
With the
With
God
the God
sake,
sake,
inshallah.
inshallah.
Maybe.
Maybe.
You are a Muslim?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.